Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make yogurt using Yakult. This simple method requires just 2 ingredients and minimal effort. First, select a good quality whole milk. This will give your yogurt a rich texture. Next, make sure your workspace and all utensils are thoroughly sanitized. This crucial step prevents any contamination, ensuring your yogurt turns out perfectly every time. Let's get started with the heating process. Now pour your milk into a clean pot and heat it slowly over medium heat. You're aiming for a temperature of 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius. Stir it gently to avoid burning the bottom. Once it reaches temperature, remove it from the heat and let it cool down. It needs to reach 110 degrees Fahrenheit or 43 degrees Celsius before the next step. This cooling period is vital for the live cultures. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that can truly change how you think about money, much like making your own yogurt can change your diet for the better. Check the description for a link to this book and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your milk has cooled to the correct temperature, it's time to introduce the star ingredient, Yakult. Gently pour 1 small bottle of Yakult into the milk and stir it in thoroughly but carefully. Then, transfer this mixture into your prepared jars or a yogurt maker. Now, let the magic happen. Incubate your yogurt for 8 to 12 hours at a consistent temperature between 100 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows the beneficial bacteria to work their wonders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.